Hi students, let's see RRB NTPC trigonometry part 4. So please make sure that you are watching the previous videos, and very important, you have to see the trigonometric formulas. We have another video, we will give the link here, so you should watch that. Ready? So I'll go to the question now. If root 3 tan theta equals 1, then find the values of cos 2 theta. Answer is given and the options are given. Of course, it came in RRB NTPC 12/4/2016 question paper, shift 1. Ready? So let us see what is given here. Root 3 tan theta equals 1. Root 3 tan theta means root 3 into tan theta equals 1. Now, multiplication, if it goes next side, divide. That means what will happen? Tan theta equals 1 is already here. This root 3 will carry to next side. That means it will be divided by root 3. Ready? Now, this implies theta equals, this tan will go to next side, it will be tan inverse 1 by root 3. See this step, theta I am writing here, tan goes next side, tan inverse. If you are getting doubt with this step, without this you can do even direct. I will show you that. But before that, let us see the values of tan theta. See, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. If you take tan 0 degree means it will be 0. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root 3. And tan 90 is not defined. These are the values of tan. Ready? That means tan theta is getting 1 by root 3 means tan 30. Ready? That means tan theta equals 1 by root 3 means that is tan 30. So, tan 30 degree. That means implies theta equals 30 degree. Actually, you can write direct here 30 degree. But if you are not understanding this step, direct you can come to here. Tan theta equals, in place of 1 by root 3, we will write tan 30. After that, theta equals 30. Theta equals 30. Now, what do you want? We want cos 2 theta, isn't it? So, cos 2 theta equals cos 2 into 30 equals cos 2 into 30, 60. So, cos 60 degree means you have to go through that table for these values. When you go through the table, you will understand cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. I am not writing the step here. So, please make sure that you will study the entire equations of trigonometry. And if you are not studying the trigonometry equations, you can't do this part. Ready? Now, that means 1 by 2 means the right answer is A. That means the correct option is 4A. Let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. If 7x plus 5 degree and x plus 5 degree are complementary angles, then find the value of x. Answers are given: A 10, B 20, C 30, D 40. After that, the options are given: 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. Of course, it came in RRB NTPC 12/4/2016, shift 3. Ready? Let's do the work. What is given? 7x plus 5 and x plus 5 are complementary angles. Complementary angle means sum of the angle is 90 degree. Ready? Complementary angle means sum of the angle is 90 degree. See, already here 7x plus 5 plus x plus 5 equals 90 degree, because already given complementary angles. This implies 7x plus x, that means 7x plus 1x, that is 8x. Ready? After that, 5 plus 5, that is 10, equals 90 degree. Therefore, 8x equals 90 is already here in the right side, and this 10 carry to next side. It will be minus 10 equals what you will get? 90 minus 10, 80. That is 8x. Now, both sides we can cancel by 8. 8 ones are 8. Now, let us see here, we will cancel by 8. 8 ones are 8 and this 0 will write upside. That means x equals 10. So, the correct answer is A, that is 10. That means the correct option is 3, that is A. Ready? Let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. If cos A equals 12 by 13, then sin A into 1 minus tan A equal question mark. Of course, answers are given and the options are there. Ready? Now, it came in RRB NTPC 16/4/2016, shift 2. Now, what is given here? Given cos A equals 12 by 13. Cos means cos theta equals base by hypotenuse. Ready? That means this implies what you can write in place of cos, we can write base by hypotenuse equals 12 by 13. Now we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. Ready? This implies what is the value of base? Base is 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. Ready? Now what we will do, by Pythagoras theorem we can write hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. Ready? What is the value of hypotenuse? 13. 13 square equals base 12 square plus perpendicular, we don't know, just keep perpendicular square. This implies 13 square, 13 into 13, 169. 169 equals 12 square, 12 into 12, 144 plus perpendicular square. Next step, 144 will carry to left side. This implies 169 plus comes to next side, minus 144 equals perpendicular square. Now, 169 minus 144 will get 25. 25 equals perpendicular square. Therefore, perpendicular square equals 25. So, perpendicular equals square goes next side, root. Root 25 equals 5. Now, we want the value of sin A into 1 minus tan A. So, we will write sin. Sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse and tan theta equals perpendicular by base. We will write now, therefore, sin A into 1 minus tan A equals, sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse into 1 minus tan is perpendicular by base equals perpendicular. What is the value of perpendicular here? 5. 5 by hypotenuse, that is 13 into 1 minus perpendicular. Perpendicular is 5 divided by base 12. Ready? This equals 5 by 13 into, we will take the LCM here. What is LCM? 12. Now this will multiply here, isn't it? So 1 into 12. 12 minus 5 equals 5 by 13 into 12 minus 5, 7. 7 by 12 equals, now 5 into 7, numerator into numerator. 5 sevens are 35. Divided by 13 into 12. 13 into 12 means 156. 156. If you have doubt, multiply and check it. That means the right answer is D. So the correct option is 3D. Okay, let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. If sin theta equals 15 by 17, then cot theta equal question mark. Answers are given: A 8 by 17, B 15 by 8, C 8 by 15, D 17 by 8. And after that, option is given. Ready? It came in RRB NTPC 27/4/2016, shift 2. Let's see now. What is already given? Sin theta equals 15 by 17. But we know that sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. After that, we will use Pythagoras theorem. That means hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. Last equation we need to get cot theta equals base by perpendicular. Ready? That means what you will do? This implies sin means you can write perpendicular. Perpendicular by hypotenuse equals 15 by 17. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. implies, what is hypotenuse? See, hypotenuse is 17. 17 square equals base, we don't know. Base square plus perpendicular is 15. 15 square. Ready? If you have doubt, this implies you have to write perpendicular is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Ready? After that, this implies 17 square, that is 17 into 17, that is 289 equals base square plus 15 square, 15 into 15, 225. Ready? After the next step, 225 will get it to next side. That means 289 minus 225 equals base square. This implies. Now 289 minus 225, we will get 64. 64 equals base square. That implies base square equals 64. Otherwise, base equals, square goes next side, root, isn't it? Root 64 equals 8. 8 8s are 64. Ready? Now what do you want? We want to get the value of cot theta equals base by perpendicular equals, what is the value of base? 8 and the perpendicular 15. So the answer is 8 by 15. 8 by 15 means C is the right answer. C is the right answer means 3 is the correct option. 3C. Ready? So please make sure that you are watching continuous and don't forget to study the formulas, otherwise it will be very difficult for you, and wait for the balance videos.